Welcome to Countats. In this lesson, I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to remember your debits and your credits. For you to record transactions correctly, you need to identify the accounts involved, where it belongs in the accounting equation, and what to debit and what to credit. Here we will show you a simple but effective tip to remember what to debit and what to credit. In our previous example, we looked at what debits and credits are and went into detail on those, and we explained all the elements, and we gave a few examples on those as well. So I would greatly encourage you to check that one out. It's a short video, and before checking this one out, because once you check that one out and you understand what your debits and your credits are and what accounts you debit and what accounts you credit, it will be very important because you will be able to understand this one much better. This is just a tip on how to remember them, and we'll show you an acronym just now. Here it is. We start with the D. In fact, the word we're going to look at is called dead click. Dead click. It's DEAD, and then on our right hand side we have CLIC. So you just have to remember these words, and you will know your debits and your credits. So dead click. And what do they stand for? So this is an acronym. Our tip here is an acronym that will be helpful in you remembering your debits and your credits. I came across this one here and I thought it would be very helpful, and I've shared it with a few students and they seem to be very happy with it, and they're able to remember their debits and their credits. Well, the D stands for debit. What do we debit? We debit expenses, assets, and drawings. So those are the elements that we debit. And what do we credit? Well, on the left hand side we have CLIC, which starts with C, which is credit. And then what do we credit? Liabilities, income, and capital. And that is it. That is the tip I wanted to show you and share with you. Now, again, I will encourage you to check that video on debits and credits. We've done another one also on general journals. So you'll find the links in the description below. Otherwise, I hope this tip has helped you for you to remember your debits and your credits. Dead click, debit expenses, assets, and drawings, credit liabilities, income, and capital. I hope that has made sense and you've gained value from these lessons. And if you have, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it to those you think it might help. Till next time, cheers.